Well, as I can notice, they are germinated here. Oh my god, it is more easy for me. Hi there, it's George here, and in today's video I will have to show the most beautiful palm tree species in the world, which is Cyrtostachys Renda. Well, it has some red stems, as you can see. Also, it calls lipstick palm, and I ordered seeds. Also, this variety I saw on the botanical garden in Iași, Romania. So I just decided to have in my collection. I buy seeds and I hope they are fresh. I have to soak them in water for 3 days. Then I will transfer the seeds in the soil and let's see if they will germinate. So they are not resisting in winter time. I will grow only in pots. Let's start just. Well, as I can notice, they are germinated here. Oh my god, it is more easy for me. I didn't expect to see the germinated seeds. They come in the most sphagnum, and the most helps to germinate seeds. Well, I opened this mail with seeds and not after a month or something. Well, I didn't expect the seeds germinated. In that case, I will plant the seeds in the soil right now, even here. Well, as you can see here, I have already put the soil in the pots. It is an universal potting soil with perlite, pH 5 to 6.5, and it's good. Let's take the seeds from there and sow them. After that, we will cover with a little soil which I prepared here. So just I will start doing that. Now I will take seed by seed and planting. As you can see how beautiful it is. If you noticed, I watered the soil before the planting. So remaining 2 seeds which I have to plant. I will search for another 2 pots. Well done. Now I have to put these pots in the greenhouse in the plastic bags. Well, the species of palm tree, I write it on the plastic bag and the date. I planted, I hope they will grow. I have 8 pots with that lush palm that will grow in my home. and will be very nice. I will make another episode when the seedlings will start to grow and will be awesome. Until then, stay tuned on my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye, George was here.